Let's take a good look here. This is our 1996 Ford F-350. It has the 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel, a 5-speed manual transmission, floor shift 4-wheel drive. This is a 1-ton dually flatbed. This truck only has 37,000 original miles on it.
Reminder that we buy trucks like this. If you know of another low-mile truck like this one for sale, call the number on the screen now. If we make the purchase, you'll make a finder's fee. See our website for more details.
This is a cab and chassis F-350, which means it was made for something like this flatbed on it here. This truck is a one owner that has lived its entire life. The original owner was elderly owned, purchased new. You can see there on the mud flaps where the truck originated from when it was brand new. Toolboxes on either side for whatever you want to put inside there. You can also lock those up if you want. You also see this truck has 6 brand new Firestone tires. They're a brand new 10-ply tire. They've only got maybe 10 miles on them only. You look at the interior. Very, very clean on the inside of this OBS. Has my personal favorite vinyl flooring. Very durable, easy to keep clean. You don't have to worry about stains or it holding any funny smells or anything. And it also has the Husky Liners brand floor mats that keep it very easy to keep clean. You can just throw the dirt right out. So everything's completely clean, even along the bottom of the doors. Nothing out of place. Fuel tank selector here on the dash, as well as the cruise control that's on the front of the steering wheel that will tilt where you need it to be. 5-speed stick shift, as well as the reliable floor shift, 4-wheel drive there in the floor. Give you a good look at the dash up top. You can see that it's not busted or cracked anywhere. It's not faded from the sun, which goes to show you how well this OBS has been kept. Original old school cassette player with the AM FM radio. Below that you have the heat and the cold AC. See, there's nothing out of place. Let's go ahead and fire the 7.3 up so we can hear it start. You'll be able to see the actual mileage when I get the key in, get it rolled over here. Be right there in the very center. You can see 37,762 miles. Super clean unit all around. Excellent example, the 1-ton dually, the 5-speed, and the 7.3, a very clean, low-mile OBS like this. Let's take it for a test drive. I'll show you how well this truck runs and drives. We'll take off as soon as I get my seatbelt on. Let me get buckled in here. Everything on this truck has been fully serviced. It's all been gone over and checked out. Fully serviced to make sure the truck is completely turnkey, ready to go. I'll pop the parking brake here. Goes right into first gear with no hesitation. Doesn't click, doesn't hesitate or grind or anything. We'll take off and head up the hill so we can hear the 7.3 run. Well, let's put the 5-speed through the gears so you can hear for yourself how there's no issues with anything on this truck at all. Truck runs and drives just like you'd imagine. 7.3 Powerstroke OBS with only 37,000 miles on it would. There's not a problem at all with the 5-speed manual. It's just smooth and solid going from one gear to the next as it can be. It doesn't click, grind, or hesitate going into any gear. If you're familiar with the 7.3, then you know it's a platform that just is known to last forever. 7.3s were known for their longevity. So for one that only has 37,000 miles on it like this with a solid 5-speed behind it, it's safe to say this truck has a lifetime left ahead of it yet. Steering on the front end is good and tight and responsive. The truck drives straight, just like it's supposed to, so it's very easy to keep in the lane. No play in the steering on the front end at all. Brake pedal's good and firm, right towards the top, where you want that pedal to be at. It does not go to the floor or feel loose at all, which you can hear for yourself as I slow down around this corner. The brakes do not squeak or grind. They do not lock up or pull the truck to the side or anything like that. If you step on the brakes, it's just going to bring the truck to a stop without any problems with anything at all. It's definitely a truck that was very well cared for, preserved in its life, never abused or neglected, always babied. The original owner only got rid of this truck. She wasn't able to push the clutch in anymore. Definitely a 7.3 that was meticulously maintained, never abused or worked hard.